What you guys, got another video here for you on how to add a cool custom taskbar in Windows 10. Now this is pretty simple and easy to do, but some people like to customize their Windows operating systems, and if you're bored with this standard default Windows 10 taskbar and you want to customize it, then I'll show you how to do it in this video. So what you're going to need to do is go over to WINSTEP and download WINSTEP Nexus. This is a taskbar that you can use and customize. So if you're familiar with those MacOS docks, then this is what this looks like. So they do a free version and they also do an unlimited version here for $14.95. We're going to be using the free version here so you can generally see what it looks like. So it's free to download and install, and have a look at it and check it out. We'll drag this onto our desktop here so we can extract all the files, and then what we'll do is we'll get it installed on the system and you can take a look at it. So then we go ahead and right click here and extract all, and we'll extract it to the desktop. This will just create a folder. So here we have the installation program. Just going to click on this one here and go ahead and install this on the system. Say yes to the user can control here and select the language you want to use. Mine's English, and then we can accept their terms and conditions here. And then click next, and we'll go ahead and click next to all the default settings there and get this installed. So we can now launch Nexus on our system here. This will open up the bar at the top here. It puts it there by default, but you can literally click on the Nexus here and open up the actual application so you can customize it. So these little tabs up the top here, these are your tabs you can click on and customize your dock. So it's fully customizable here. So you can start off on content here, running applications. You can see up the top, we have show running applications in the dock. And we can also minimize windows to the dock and show minimize applications only. Wherever you want to select on yours, you can go ahead and spend more time checking these all out. And what you can do here as well is show system tray in the dock as well, and you can also customize tray icons, and there's loads of other bits here. You can call the dock whatever you like by renaming the dock here. But let's move on to the next tab here so we can take a look. Modules. In here you can change the modules for the clock and style, and you can also change the icons and clock settings and stuff like that inside here. If you want to do that, you can do it in this section here. And that's a nice little added feature there as well. It also position. This will allow you to change the position of the dock, whether you want it on the top, bottom, left, or wherever you want to put your dock. You can literally do it all inside here. You can also allow the dock to which side of the screen you want it, whether you want it on the left, center, or the right. And you can also offset the dock from the screen edge as well, if that's what you want to do there. So you've got some good options available here in the positioning tab. So let's move on to the behavior tab here. The behavior tab is literally going to allow you to change the behavior of your dock. And you can see here auto hide settings here, auto hide dock after a short delay. If you want to set that so it just disappears, you can do that as well. And there's a load of other options inside here as well, which you can mess with. So I'm not going to go through every single one of these, but you can see there's more options available here. So there's quite a lot of things you can actually do with this particular dock. Quite a good customizable dock here. So looking at the appearance side here, this will allow you to change the size of the dock icons. So if you don't want them too big, you can make them a bit smaller. If you're a bit short-sighted or have bad eyesight, you can make them larger. Again, you've got the dock transparency here, the dock color settings, icon spacing. You can set all that inside here. There's a bunch of other stuff inside here which you can do as well. So you can also show drop shadows here as well and show icon labels on the mouse. If that's what you want to do, you can put the tick in there. Inside here, we've got the dock transparency. I'm just going to make this a little bit more transparent, maybe 50%, something like that, just so you can see through it slightly to give it that Mac feel. And we get that set there. So that's all done. I'm not going to mess around with any of this other stuff in this video, but if you want to really customize yours, you can go ahead and make some other changes here. So let's go ahead and go into the effects area here. This is where you've got mouse over effect, launch effect, attention effect, and also delete effect. And these are the effects here. So quite a few there to mess around with as well. And there's also show animations and other stuff on there. Now this is the themes area here. This is where you can change the dock theme. There's plenty of other ones available. There's loads inside here. So go crazy and select whatever theme that you want for your particular type of installation. I'm just going to leave it as is for this video. But again, you can spend more time here. Again, we've got loads of sounds here on the sounds tab. This basically gives you access to loads of sounds. I'm going to disable these. I find them a little bit annoying, but that's just me. But if you want to leave yours on, and there's also disable voices. There's voices that will give you voices when you click on stuff as well. Now going into the tasks here, this is allow you to hide the Windows taskbar here by just putting a tick in here. And you can customize yours to whatever you like. But obviously you don't want this dock sitting on top of the taskbar. That will be a bit pointless and it will look a bit silly. There is advanced options here as well. And you can also change some icons there. So go to General. This gives you the preferences for your hotkeys, animation speed, and other things like that. Going on to the advanced section, you've got other bits inside here that you can mess with as well, like your power settings and other things like that. So you can go ahead and take a look at all those settings. So let's take a look at the actual program itself. This is it right here. And as you can see, it looks pretty cool. Now you can add as many of these on as you like. You can remove that Nexus there and you can add in whatever icons you like as well. So if you want to right click on here, you've got the context menu, which can allow you to add programs in here. So let's go ahead and do that right now and add in our Explorer icon in here, because obviously we've removed it on our taskbar. So we want to add it back inside here. And if you want to add stuff in, you can add an item type. We're going to add a program in here. There's other options available. And there's also a label and file name. I'm just going to call this explorer.exe. And again, the label, we'll just call this Explorer. And you can add whatever you like on yours, whatever you use on a regular basis. And we'll just leave that as. If you want to run this as administrator, then you're going to get the UAC coming up every single time. You can also change the icon here for this particular feature here. So I'm just going to add in a icon here. Now there's plenty of icons on the internet that you can use. I'm just going to look for a folder inside here for quickness on this video. And there's one here I can see, just a closed icon for a folder. That will do me. And click OK. And when you click on these, you'll see it will open up Explorer, just like so. So very useful. As I said, there's loads of custom icons you can download and use on the internet. There's tons of them there. DeviantArt is a good place to look for other icons. There's a nice set here that I found online, which you can use as well inside of your dock if that's what you want to do. Maybe it fits in with your theme. Just download these icons and basically use them on your theme build. And you can change the background of the wallpaper. And it even works alongside a Rainmeter as well. So you can remove icons as well. If you want to remove certain features, you can do. And you can also drag your original icons onto here. If you're not worried about downloading icons off the internet, you can just drag your shortcuts onto the actual dock as well, which works really well, as you can see here. So pretty awesome. I do like it. I'll leave the link in the video description for you if you're interested in something like this and you want to check it out. It's free to check out. You don't have to commit anything to the paid version if you're just testing it. Anyway, I think that's going to be this one done. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Big shout out to all my YouTube members who join my YouTube members group. I appreciate the support, and I shall see you again for another video tomorrow. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.